In this video, we are showing you 5 ways to get out of the shadow position, starting from beginners to advanced. And guys, if you would like to have a full explanation of the movements, a tutorial, let us know in the comments down below, and also make sure to like this video. But now, let's start.
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around and since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. On and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. Hey, hey, hey. I'm running out of time, 'cause I can see the sun light up the sky. So I'll hit the road in overdrive, baby. This city's cold and empty. No one's around to touch me. I can see clearly when you're gone, gone, gone. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. And I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, when I'm like this, you're the one I trust. I'm just calling back to let you know that you never said it on the phone. I never let you go this time. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch.
We hope you enjoyed watching this video, and make sure to let us know down below whenever you try them out at your next social party. Hopefully you got some inspiration, and if you liked it, we are sure that these videos, you are going to love them. We hope to see you at the next time. Bye bye.